We are in our chapter of knowing our numbers, first chapter. We are in our exercise 1.3. In 1.3, we have completed yesterday word problems exercise. Second question, we completed Shanti question. Shanti, how much she traveled? The brother traveled that many kilometers. 5 rupees for 1 kilometer means for total how much? Yesterday we completed. Today I'm going to start from question 3. Question 3. I am reading out the question. Page number 16, exercise 1.3, question 3. In a T20 cricket match, 25,500 people came to see the match. The rate for the ticket was 250 rupees each. The total collection from the ticket sale was 60 lakhs. Some people were invited and they were given some free passes. How many free passes were given? Okay. Now, one ticket, cost of one ticket is rupees 250. Let us start like that. Cost of one ticket. By explaining, I will write. Cost of one ticket is equal to rupees 250. Easy question only to understand. Okay. So line by line when I write, I will tell you. One ticket for one person is 250 rupees each. Now, how many people attended the thing? That is we want. In a T20 cricket match, to watch the cricket match, 25,500 people came to see the match. This is the first line, which means one ticket price is this much, 250 rupees. In a stadium, in a cricket stadium, how many people will attend? For this particular question, nearly 25,500 people they attended. It means they bought the ticket and they attended to see the match like an audience. So, rate collected. So, therefore, the rate of the ticket, rate collected from 25,500 people. One ticket 250 rupees. So 25,500 is equal to how much? One given more asked means it is multiplication. So one ticket price is 250. Like this, 2 people 500 rupees, 3 people 750, 4 people when they attend, the cost of 4 tickets 1000 rupees. Like this, keeping on going, this many people they bought the ticket, they entered the stadium. So what was the money collected? Much money will be collected? No. So only they telecast that and all, the cricket and all, how the sale of the ticket will be huge. Nowadays, due to Corona season, audience are not allowed only. But before and all, the ticket price used to be like this. If it is very nearby, they are VIP tickets. Then it goes on. Like this. This ticket, this particular thing is 250 rupees. Now we need to multiply. Okay. 255. The zeros and all later I will add. Okay. I will be adding the zeros in the answer. Adding means 255 multiplied by 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 carried over 2, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27, 2 carried over 2, 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12. Then 5 2s are 10 0, 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 1, 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 7, 3, 6. So 6, 3, 7, 5, 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Here 2 0, here 1 0. So 3 numbers, 2 numbers. Like this commas, according to Indian system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 63 lakhs, 75,000 rupees was collected from this many people. This is not asked. Still more question is big. Okay, now understand up to this. One ticket is there. So this many people got this much. So this much money was collected in the counter. Now what is asked? Let us go. The total collection from the ticket sale was. They have given the total collection. GN means given. Given total collection. Then only we will get, on subtraction only we will get. Because some were free passes. So total collection is, they have given 60 lakhs. Okay, 1 lakh will have 5 zeros. 60 and 5 zeros, 60 lakhs. So total collection is this much, they told. Here, this many people attended, we got. Here they told total collection is this. So what they are telling, some were given as a invitees, some were given free passes. They have called for them free VIP, this thing will be seats. Okay, they won't be paying any money, free passes. For example, the players are playing. For their family and all, it is free. They can come and watch. No need to buy the ticket. That and all we need to deduct. Okay, so what to do from this big amount, we need to do that. Then only we will know how much amount is collected for them, the invitees. How many were free passes? That is the question. How many free passes? Free pass means that invitees and pass, those who did not buy the ticket, that many people we want. For that, what to do? That is what I'm doing. Amount, which is total collection. Amount collected from the invitees. First amount to find out. Then how many people to find out. Amount collected from the invitees is this big amount. Remaining, the balance lakhs only, minus 60 lakhs. Okay. This is from the normal people. Okay. Total collection, this much. So when we do this thing minus this, the remaining balance money, that is collected from the invitees and special people. Okay. So that is, then only we will know how much. Some free pass. Some they were called. 63 lakhs 75,000 minus 60 lakhs. So 3 lakhs 75,000. Normal subtraction only. Okay. So 3 lakhs 75,000 is the thing when we do the subtraction. Now this much is the amount collected. We want how many people? People, when we want this amount, we need to divide. Okay. So first thing is one ticket is this much. So many people attended. That is how much. This is step 1. Step 2, they have given the collection. So we need to, this collection includes everybody, invitees, passes, free passes, people, everybody. So this minus this when I do, we will get only those who are given free passes and invitees. So now this is still more to continue. This is the amount, this is collected from the invitees. Now after this, amount we need now. We don't want a thing. Now this amount that is collected from invitees is this much. Now how many people were called? That is the number of, therefore the number of what is asked, free passes that were given are. Number of free passes are, make your steps simple. Free passes are this many by how many people? That many people. 3,75,000. This amount by the total number of people we have seen 250 people. Yes. By this Yes, the total number of, I mean the cost per ticket. This many free passes, the amount that is collected. Okay, means what is the thing, what I want to tell here is amount collected from the invitees. This invitees include this one we have to subtract from the normal ticket price we are subtracting. This amount we are collecting from the free passes and the invitees. The balance amount. This balance amount by the ticket. For one ticket, 250 rupees. So this many people, how much? Then only we will know that many people were given free passes. Because the question is like this, like that. Some people are invitees and they are given as a free passes. Now, how many free passes were given? So in order to find the number of free passes, the amount collected by the one ticket price of the price per ticket. That if I do 0, 0, cancel. Now this both 375, 00, normal dividing only. 00. Okay, 125 is 225 is. Let us do from 125 is 2, 1. Let us bring this 5. 525 is 5, 5 is 25, carry over to 5, 2 is plus 2, 0. 00, copy this 00 up. So, what is the thing? 1500 invitees. These were the free passes that were given. This is the amount that is collected from the people. 1500 free passes were given for the particular thing. To understand the question and to do. Simple word problems only, but it will be asked like this. Directly they didn't give this many free passes were given. Instead of that, they are asking us to deduce the amount and from that amount to find out. Clear? This is about question 3. Up to question 7, we will be doing Brainworks question, no need. Max work, but we will include. Normal question, max at work, both the things. Clear? We will pass on to the question 4. Word problem somewhat will be like this only. This is normal question. 4 A, B, C, D. How many milliliter make a kilometer? Liter make a thing. Okay. This is about millimeter, meter. I will write like this simply. Millimeter make a kilometer. Okay. This is about millimeter, kilometer question. How many millimeter make a kilometer? Kilo means what, ma? Kilo means 1000. Yesterday itself we have seen the formula that 1 kilometer is always 1000 meters. Okay, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Now I want the thing millimeter as a kilometer. Now 1 meter again, 1000 meter is okay. Again 1 meter is how much? 1 meter is 1000 millimeters. Okay, so now I want direct millimeter to kilometer conversion. Kilometer to meter, meter to millimeter, 1000 into 1000, 2 times. Okay, they are not asking what is this. How many kilometers are meter? They are not asking. Question is millimeter to kilometer. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 meter is 1000 millimeters. So 1000 into 1000. 1000 into 1000, which makes 1 ones are 1. 6 zeros. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 10 lakhs millimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 1000 millimeter. Directly, if they are asking meter, I will write this only. They are asking this. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. So 1000 into 1000 kilometer to millimeter conversion. So this is the answer for the A question. This all you will be getting in the material. Let us pass on to the A, B, C, D are there. 2 questions. I'll do 2 questions. Straight questions are for you. Liter make kiloliter. Liter to kiloliter. This is very, very easy. All of us, we know that 1 kiloliter. Kilo means 1000. 1000 liters. Liter to kiloliter, 1 kiloliter is 1000 liters. That's the answer. No conversions here. Again, if they want milliliter means again I will do 1 liter is this much milliliter. So I will convert. But here only liter to kiloliter. 1 kiloliter is 1000 liters. In the fill in the blanks, I will ask like this. 1 KL, I will give KL means kiloliter. 1000 liters. This is also straight. Homeworks also like that only. How many milligram make a kilogram? That is homework. 1 kg. This is homework. How many kgs make a milligram? 1 kg means 1000 grams. You have to do that. 1 gram is 1000 milligrams. Same like how we did the previous, like that. Centimeter make a meter. That is also homework. Tell me 1 meter is how many centimeters? This is homework. How many centimeters make a meter? 1 meter is how many centimeters? You have not studied, okay. 100. See, Ahmed is telling correctly. Very good. 100. Centi means 100. Kilo means 1000. Cent means 100. So 1 meter, 100 centimeter. That's all. This is a homework sum. How many centimeter make a meter? So like this. This later we will do in homework. Now question B completed. 4A and B, C, D I told you. Let us pass on to the question number 5. This exercise is about word problems only. Question number 5. Listen carefully. Students of class 6th standard, like how you are, they collected 39,000 for the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Okay. Class 6. What is the money collected? 39,000. Then 108 students of class 7 also collected a sum of rupees at the rate of 368 per student. How much? 108 students. So they collected your money, these collected. Okay. Which class contributed more and by how much? The questions will be like this only. It is very easy actually. Class 6 students, they collected some money. Money collection they will do no for Prime Minister's Relief Fund. For a good cause. They are going to help somebody for a good cause. They are collecting the money. So 6th standard all children together, how much they collected? 39,000 rupees they collected. This is given straight. Okay. 7th standard children also collected. That is not given straight. We have to find out. What they gave? They gave 108 students are there. This many students are sitting. A section, B section, C section. 108 students are there in the class. Each one of them collected 368 rupees. Like that only it is given from one student. So how to find out? By multiplication. Okay, not adding. One student 368 rupees. 1 chalky, 5 rupees. 4 chalkies, how much? 4 5s are 20 rupees. You will get 4 chalkies. 10 chalkies, 10 multiplied by 5. 1 Cadbury, one small 5-star is 5 rupees. I want 50 5-star. What shall I do? 50 multiplied by 5. That is the easiest way. 55 are 250 rupees. If I give the shopkeeper, he will give. In the same way, 1 ticket 368 rupees. 108 students collected. So each and everybody collected. So we have to multiply this by that amount. Then we will get the amount. Then you can say which is greater. This is greater, this is greater. No need to use the symbols and all. Only chat column should be used for giving answers. Understood? This is not a WhatsApp chat or something that we are entertaining. We are not using for that. So you should not give the symbols and all. Only that should be used for giving the answers when I ask. Okay, now. For that only chat column is allowed. Otherwise, we will lock the chat column. You cannot chat also. Understood? For giving answers only it's allowed. Now, amount of money collected. Collected by class 6 is equal to 39,000. Steps are compulsory and it carries marks. Now, amount collected from one student. One student of class 7. Directly we don't know. So, amount collected from something we saw. I'll check this number. Correct only I wrote. Amount collected from one student of class 7 is 368. Therefore, amount collected from how many students? 108. Yes. 108 students. One giving, more asking. 108 multiplied by 368. When I do, we will get the answer here. I want place for doing. 368 into 108. 8 8 are 64. 4 carried over 6. 8 6 are 48. 654. 4 carried over 5. 8 3 are 24. 29. Then 0 0 0. Then 8 6 3. Multiplication should be carried out properly. 17,193. I got 39,744. 39,744. This much rupees collected from 7th standard. Normal multiplication only we did here. Okay. Now which is more? 6th standard 39,000. 7th is 39,744. Which is more? Which class collected more? For telling that only you have chat call. Yes, super. Jotam Calix. Yes, ma, correct. 7th standard collected more. Okay. By how much they are asking? How much means this amount minus this amount. 39,744 minus 39,744 rupees. So that much is collected more. Yes. How much also we need to say. So for that, I am erasing the first step. So class 7 collected more by is equal to What was the number? 39,744 here. The previous number was 39,000. 6th standard amount, 7th standard amount. By how much means this amount minus this amount. We need to tell that. So 744 rupees. This is the answer. So class 6 collected, class 7 collected. From one student it was given. So many students we multiplied. Now which is greater? This is greater. We know that. How much money is greater? 744 rupees alone it is greater. This class is more than the other class. Understood this? Shall I move on to the next? Any doubts you can type in the chat column. I'll read that and will explain. Sixth question, the last question of this exercise. Why the last question? Means 7th question is the last. Okay, Jotam, good. 7th question is the last question. That is very easy. Simple totaling doing. So that is homework sum, 7th sum. 3 sugar mills produce this many, this many, this many. What is the total collection of sugar? That is homework sum, 7th one. 6th one we will be doing now. This is the last of this exercise. A student subtracted 27,36,879 from 63,42,568. Then subtracted the difference of the thing from the smallest 9-digit number. Okay. What was the answer? Okay. Now, whenever we say, for example, I am saying subtract 3 from 50. If I say like this, first which number you will write? Subtract 3 from 15. Which number you will write? First we will write 15. Then we will write 3. From which number is there? That number, this, 12. In the same way, this question, a student subtracted 27 lakhs from 63 lakhs. So first what I must write? First I must write 63 lakhs number. A student subtracted the number directly. So no need for steps. Directly we can do this. Subtracted 27 lakhs 36,879. A student subtracted 27 lakhs 36,879 from this number. Now we have to do that. Then subtracted the difference from the, that is later. First let us do this, then I will tell what is asked. Now this is normal subtraction only. When we take 8 will not go in 9. So here 1 we are borrowing 5. Here 1 and this 18. 5 minus 7 not possible. 4. Here 1 gone 15. 8. Here 4. 1. 14. 6. 1 will not go in this. 3. Here 11. Everyone knows subtraction? I hope so. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 will not go in 7. 5. Here 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 5 minus 3. Let me check my number. 36,05,689. Correct. So this is the thing. We got a student subtracted and he got the answer. Okay. Now they are telling subtract the difference from the smallest 9-digit number. This I need to subtract from the smallest 9-digit number. That is asked. What is smallest 9-digit number? Smallest 9-digit number to write. Then this number to write. Then we will get the answer. Say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Smallest 9-digit number means 9, which carries 1. The total digit should be 9. Yes, correct. Murli Anand. 1, 2. Then I will give commas. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 digits. 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 10 crores. Now smallest 9-digit number, greatest means I will write 9999999. I will write smallest. So total digits must be 9, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits must come. Okay. Smallest means 1 followed by a lot of zeros. I must do now. They are asking. Subtract the difference from the smallest 9-digit number. Do the subtraction. They are asking. What is this number? 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs position only should start. Very important. Don't write this 36 under the 10. Why? Because this is crores position. You should write under the lakhs position. 6, 8, 9. We must do the subtraction. Understood? So this is the way. After doing subtraction, here I'll do that. If I go and do that, I will hide the board. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3. Directly we'll do there itself. Why to write again? Okay, from this 0, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Let it be 10. Okay, 10 minus 9. From here, I have taken middle all the zeros will become 9. There, yeah. So this one gone there. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. And 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 9. This is gone. Yes. 3, 2, 2. I'll check this. 963, 94, 311. I am correct. So my answer is this. That is 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 9 crores, 63 lakhs, 94,311 after subtraction. What they are telling? First they have given the numbers. They have told us to do subtraction. Subtract this from this. So we did. Then they told subtract this number from the smallest 9-digit number. We wrote the smallest 9-digit number. We copied this number and I did subtraction. 2 subtractions. 1 and 1. That's all. This exercise over. Any doubts? Yes. Any doubts? You can always type in the chat column. Follow the class nicely. Material you will be getting. After completing the chapter, I will send the material. In the meantime, go through the textbook. Textbooks are with you. Go through where I am teaching. Which one I am teaching every day. Go through that. Okay. Okay, Amrit ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.